Hello friends. The students who are preparing for IBPS PO, you are going to have a golden opportunity. It's a very good news for you all who are preparing for IBPS PO. Now IBPS PO, as you all know, have released its notification on 4th of August. You must know this. Now the online application started from 5th of August and it is going to end on 26th of August. So you all who still haven't prepared for your online application or have not filled up the form, please go and fill up the form of IBPS PO. Let me tell you the prelims date. The tentative prelims date has been released. It is your 3rd of October, 10th of October and 11th of October. And the tentative date of mains examination is 28th of November. Now the application website, now you can go to directly the application website of IBPS PO, that is ibps.in, and you can fill up the form, online form. Now let us come to the fees. What is the fees of IBPS PO application form? It is Rs 173 for SC, ST and PWD students, and it is Rs 850 for general candidates. Now let us come to a short view of the pattern of the IBPS PO examinations. Now we all know that the IBPS PO has 3 tier examinations. It is prelims, mains and then interview. Now let us talk about the prelims examination. Prelims examination has 3 sections or 3 topics, that is English, Quants and Reasoning. Now it is going to be a 20 minutes per topic examination. You will be getting 1 hour to solve the examination and it will consist of 100 marks. The best part is that you have a negative marking. Now it is not a best part, negative marking of 0.25 marks for each wrong answer that you give. Another very important thing you need to keep in your mind, that is it is very necessary to clear the cutoff in all the 3 sections, okay? Cutoff in all the 3 sections to qualify for the mains examination. Now let us talk about the mains examination. In mains examination, you have subjects like reasoning, English, quants and banking awareness, as well as one more English descriptive paper which will consist of letter writing and your essay writing. So this was all about the pattern of IBPS PO. Now let us come to what Eviction Institute is offering to you. Eviction Institute is offering to you a comprehensive crash course of 28 days. Now it is an exhaustive course. Why it is said an exhaustive course? Because in this course we are going to teach you how to prepare in very short time, but a very good preparation that is going to help you to clear the IBPS PO examination. Now let us come to the course. What we are offering to you. We are offering you are going to get in this course 125 plus live classes. You are going to have video classes. These will be recorded. Next, you are going to have your daily PDF notes. Whatever live classes or video courses we will be providing you, you will be getting the PDF notes of those classes. Next is your 2000 plus practice sets of questions you are going to get. 2000 plus practice sets of question. It is an updated version of practice questions. So we are going to give you updated version of practice questions to crack IBPS PO. Next, you are going to have 10 mock tests. 10 mock tests you are going to have so that you will get friendly with the exam pattern. Last but not the least, let us talk about the course fees. So what is the course fees? This lucrative course you are getting in a very budget friendly rupees. You are getting budget friendly. Now in this pandemic days, you must be thinking about why should I take a course? How should I take a course? Because it is going to be very costly. No, Eviction Institute brings to you a very budget friendly course, that is only rupees 999. In just rupees 999, you are going to get this course. So buy this course and crack IBPS PO. Now, let us come to the faculties who are going to teach you. Let us meet our faculties. Amol sir, he is your quants expert. He is an MSc in maths, and he has tutored many aspirants, many banking aspirants, and they have come out with flying colors. Arindam sir is your reasoning expert. He is an MSc in computer science. Now he is going to be your reasoning expert. He has over 6 years of experience of teaching banking aspirants. Next is Urvashi ma'am. Urvashi ma'am is going to be your general awareness expert, and she is going to guide you throughout your banking examination IBPS PO. She has tutored thousands of banking aspirants. Next is your Pallavi ma'am. That is me. I am going to be your English expert. I am a BA LLB and I have tutored different English classes. I have tutored different aspirants who prepare for banking exams or any SSC or any government exams. So I am going to guide you throughout your English, throughout your preparation. Now let us come to why Eviction. Why should you come to Eviction? Why should you take this course? Now in Eviction Institute, we teach students, we teach aspirants smart preparation. So your preparation should be very smart. It is not that you are preparing throughout the year and you are not cracking the examination. So you should know how to prepare smart in a lesser time so that you save your time and you do something else. Next, the very important thing is time management. We teach you time management, how to study in a very short time, but you study well. And you need a proper guidance. Proper guidance from expert faculties is also a very important thing. Now, let us tell you that we are going to give you new updated and study materials. Now, updated study materials, as you can see that IBPS has really changed. Now, previously, you have seen that reasoning and computer aptitude was different. You used to have a computer separate examination. But IBPS has changed its pattern. And in your mains examination, reasoning and computer aptitude has been merged. It is one subject. Okay, guys. So this was our course. I hope you must be thinking of taking this course, this lucrative course. And how to contact us. Now, if you are thinking about how should I contact Eviction Institute, Eviction Institute is always there for you. You can visit our website, go to our website and visit our website, that is www.eviction.co.in. You can visit our website and you can see different kinds of courses available in our website. If you want to get more practice set of questions, you can get more practice set of questions. And yes, you can also get any information, you can also get detailed information about this course, about this IBPS PO course in details. And if you want to contact us directly, you can call us at 9088479999. You can contact us at 9088479999. So this was all for our course, Smart Preparation from you. Thank you.